When you need a response to immediate questions, the last thing you want to do is queue for service. What you do need is a direct channel to tackle issues independently or a fast track to instant support for more complex challenges. That's where myABB portal comes in. It's a single online entry point providing you with a range of services for your product, whenever and wherever needed. This service is accessible from any location and it's available on demand from your online devices. You decide because you control the service. Once you log into the portal, your personalized dashboard shows different self-service options. For example, you can view the warranty and lifecycle status of your ABB installations, as well as search for products and spare parts. A convenient e-commerce function allows you to check spare parts availability and pricing, and to purchase the required products and materials. If you need expert advice, you can look for the right contact to get the support you need in a timely manner. You can use myABB to get product information and updates, as well as instructions for maintenance and troubleshooting. You can also look for our training offerings to develop the competencies you need. Log in to myABB right now. It's an online channel that complements your ABB services, helping you to maximize your equipment availability, optimize the life cycle of your equipment, and improve operational efficiency and performance. Register for an account today and get added value from myABB online services. Flexible and on-demand, myABB is your personal direct channel to ABB, without queues, stress-free.